Nestled on a gently sloping hillside with panoramic views of the ocean, this coastal home embodies a seamless integration of architecture with its natural surroundings. The design follows a harmonious and straightforward plan, where the main living areas, comprising the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom, are oriented towards the expansive seascape. An interior courtyard, sheltered from the southern winds, acts as a tranquil extension of the living space, providing a peaceful retreat within the home. The use of natural wood and steel in the construction creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while large, strategically placed skylights flood the interiors with natural light, enhancing the connection between the indoor spaces and the stunning outdoor environment.